Today we're doing part 2 of our famous Vegas performers, their favorite sandwiches. And what better way to start part 2 than with the king, Elvis. We're doing the Elvis sandwich next. So stick around, baby. Thank you very much. All right, let's get started on this Elvis sandwich. First thing we're going to do is take our bread, white bread, put it in the toaster because a toasted piece of bread will hold up better than non-toasted bread. And once we get the toast out, what we're going to do is cut up 2 bananas. We're going to cut the ends off the bananas first, then peel them. Then we're going to try to cut them evenly into 3 slices. Quick story while I'm cutting these bananas up. When I was probably 7, maybe 8 years of age, my parents forced me to go see Elvis at the International. As a young boy, you don't want to see Elvis, you want to hang out with your buddies all day. But I'm glad I did go see him. It was an experience. And he was the king. That was probably 1973 or 4. He used to take scarves. The man on stage would hand him a scarf and he'd put it around his neck and then throw it out into the audience. I actually caught one of those scarves as a kid. I don't know if I still have it. I have to take a look for it. But anyways, just a cute little story there. So back to the sandwich. We got the bananas cut up. So next we go with peanut butter on one side of the bread. And once we get the peanut butter down, we're going to layer our banana down. Try to get it covered as much as possible. And while I'm doing that, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate you all very much. Make sure you hit that bell to stay up to date on newest videos. I have one come out every Wednesday and every Sunday. Alright, after the bananas, we're going to lay down our bacon. And then after the bacon, the only thing left is one layer of grape jelly. Then we'll cut these up. We'll give them a try. And I got to tell you, I enjoyed it. I couldn't eat more than a couple bites. It was just a little too much sweetness for me with the jelly and everything. But I believe if you have kids, I think they would really flip for this sandwich. So that would be my recommendation. This would be more of a kid's sandwich. Anyways, thanks for watching. This was number 2 of our series that we're going to be doing of famous entertainers and their sandwiches in Las Vegas. Anyways, we'll talk to you later. Have a great show. Have a great day. And we'll see you on the next one.